Hello guys, today we are going to install this monitor to our Chrysler Town Country 2013. So first of all we are try to open this side. There's a two clips. So four Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Open this also. Then we are going to take it off.
That side. Okay.
That's it. Easy peasy. So next step is to install this one. So we have a little book here, what we have to install, where to put everything. Everything shows here step by step. I try to check this plug. That one is fitting, but this one is not. I'm going to cut these sides. We'll see what it will. Everything is connected. You can see all on this chart. There are two USB port cables. GPS. You have to put somewhere. That's it. Let's put it back. Okay, this is GPS. We have ones here on the back, so I'll put in the back. GPS is ready. Next step is another connectors. Okay, the another connectors, so you have to plug it to this. I ordered because they sent me a wrong part. They will send this all stuff all together again, so I will put also this part here. It's a camera connector, so I will not connect it also. I don't use camera, but it's easy to do it. So I will leave this pose like that, and I'll put everything back. So by the way, I have two USB connectors, so maybe I will not use them, and I simply put everything back into this. That's it. Okay, now let's check it. Oh, great. What we have here. CarPlay also working. Everything is working. Hey Google, call Mr. Skunk.
Calling Mr. Skunk.
Nice.
Алло.